Shapira. I'm the founder and CEO of Isidore Electronics Recycling, and we're here today in our Chinatown warehouse near downtown Los Angeles. And it is here that we collect and repair and properly recycle unwanted electronics for Southern California. But we're also a social enterprise, and what that means is that we recycle things properly and that we are focused on hiring and training people who face severe barriers to work. So most of the people that work in this warehouse have spent some time in the criminal justice system. But they did their time, they come out and they're ready to work, and we give them an opportunity to do that here at Isidore.
My name is Jimmy and I am the driver.
My name is Caesar and I am an My name is Caesar and I am an e-commerce specialist.
I'm Pierce, a repair technician.
I'm Manny and I destroy hard drives.
My name is Shay, I'm the assistant manager at Isidore Recycling.
Hello, my name is Elvis and I practically help out with everything in here.
My name is X Cam. My official title at Isidore Electronic Recycling is a warehouse associate. Before I came a few months ago, I was incarcerated in prison, did about 18 years, almost 18 years. Came out, got a few jobs here and there. Wasn't really fulfilling. Heard about this place from a company called Friends Outside, and came for an interview and got me started. I do feel like my work here is very important. It's like every day I come to work, it's like I'm saving the world one computer at a time.
So we're coming to you today because we are launching a new line of business, which is mobile data destruction. So right now we have cities and banks and companies that trust us to destroy their data completely, which we do, but we want to up our game. We want to be able to put a mobile hard drive shredder on a truck, a generator on the truck to make it work, and be able to roll up to any institution, any business, and just destroy your data on site. More peace of mind for our customers, new revenue for us, everybody wins.
Hi, my name is Lulu Kornspan and I am the operations manager here at Isidore Electronics Recycling. By contributing to this fundraiser and helping us get a truck, we have a number of perks. These include Isidore Tanks and Teas, vintage electronics, pampering items like a mobile massage by the best masseuse ever. You'll get to meet President Barack Obama. That's not true. That's not it at all. But the other things are true. And at the end of all of this, we're also, through this campaign, going to be selling tickets to a big event we're throwing at Fado Dough. It's going to be a hip-hop dance party with vintage gaming. Thank you so much for your support of Isidore Electronics Recycling.
So we're hoping that you, our community, can help us get there. We have a bunch of perks. We're trying to raise $60,000 to be able to get that truck and outfit it right. So we hope you'll support us. You can help people like Jimmy. He'd be the one driving the truck. All right, thanks.
Yes.